Barcelona have axed Xavi and appointed Hansi Flick as his replacement. Xavi, 44, announced in January that he was going to quit at the end of the season before a shock move saw him change his mind. The Barca legend was convinced to stay after a meeting with President Joan Laporta last month, and he signed a new contract until 2025.
But in a now double U-turn, Xavi has been fired after the pair reportedly clashed as he bemoaned the club's toxic environment behind the scenes and their poor financial situation. Xavi previously told the press, "To the new manager, I tell you, you will suffer.
This is a very complicated place to be. This is a difficult job and you have to be patient." Read more in Football. Out of tune. Newcastle release 11 players, including 2 long-serving stars. Loris Carrier-Shot Wheels win a Lamborghini Huracan or £230,000 cash alternative from just 89p with our code. I have the feeling that everything I have done in these 2.5 years has caused an earthquake.
Barcelona confirmed his departure in a statement that read, "The club wishes to publicly thank Xavi and the rest of his coaching staff for their commitment, dedication and generosity, and for their help in reaching an agreement to sever the contract. Furthermore, we wish him success in the future on both a personal and professional level."
But just 20 minutes after Xavi's exit was made public, the club unveiled Flick as their new manager. Most read in Football negative vibes. 2 Prem clubs at risk of starting season with record points deductions. Lyon in wait. Ratcliffe in line to make cut price £40 million. England ace first. Man United signing RULE maker Sir Jim Ratcliffe sets 5 strict rules that could ruin Man United manager search. Devil may care. Man United give all non-playing staff 1 week to decide whether to resign. Best free bet sign-up offers for UK bookmakers. The ex-Bayern Munich and Germany gaffer has signed a contract until 2026 at the Nou Camp.
Flick, 59, first made a name for himself at Hoffenheim in the early 2000s. Xavi announces H is stepping down as Barcelona coach at the end of the season. He then worked as assistant to legendary boss Joachim Löw as the German national team won the 2014 World Cup. He then landed the Bayern job and helped them win the treble in 2020, getting the best out of now Barca striker Robert Lewandowski.
But a year later, Flick left Bavaria to become Germany manager, but he was sacked just 25 games into his reign. A poor 2022 World Cup showing saw them crash out in the group stages, and as poor form continued in the build-up to Euro 2024, he became the first man to ever to be sacked as boss by the German FA.
SUNSPORTS transfer news. LIVESTAY in the know this summer with the Sun's transfer experts. Chelsea have been given permission from Leicester to speak to Enzo Maresca. Liverpool and Chelsea are eyeing a summer move for Crescencio Somerville.
Premier League clubs are targeting Tosin Adarabioyo, who will be a free agent when his Fulham contract expires next month. Follow our live transfer blog for all the latest deals, gossip and exclusives.